The Gospel according to St. Luke. As Jesus drew near Jerusalem, he saw the city and wept over it, saying, "If this day we only knew what makes for peace, but now it is hidden from your eyes. For the days are coming upon you, when your enemy will rise a palisade against you. They will encircle you and hem you in on all sides. They will smash you to the ground, and your children within you. And they will not leave one stone upon another within you, because you did not recognize the time of your visitation." The word of the Lord. And now I give you a short meditation in a few points. The first point, Jesus cried out about the Holy Land, Jerusalem. I ask you a question that, when do people often cry? We can find some answer that, when others died, when break with someone, when lose job, when they have a problem with their families. And I think people often cry when they take sadness or disappointment, and then they wanna cry. Yesterday's gospel presents to us a picture that Jesus cried. We can imagine how Jesus teared. In this case, Jesus was weeping over Jerusalem. He had a good view of the city. He knew that the city would be destroyed. He was not only weeping over Jerusalem. Other case, he cried because the Jews denied his word. The Jews reject that he is the Son of God. He is the Son of Man. He is a Messiah. And nowadays, he continued crying. He continued crying on over people, especially our sin. It is that although Jesus, the Son of Man, is really a person, he can know our emotions. He can resolve our problem. He can help us. What make we sad? The second point, if this day you only knew what makes for peace. In fact, peace is hidden from our eyes. And I ask you again, what do you think about the true peace? And some people think that it's money, some people think it's power or success, but not. The peace means the soul always fulfilled with the love of the Lord. And when we do as God wanted to do, we have the peace. And today is a Thanksgiving Day. We thank to God because God always loves us, because God is love. We thank parents, we thank all people, and we say thank you with a member of Wing English community. Thanks for listening.